future COVID scenario and different directions that have come from Government of India. Secretary Health, Mr. Amit Satija, Dean Dr. Bandekar, Dr. Uday Kakurkar, Dr. Vishwajit President, all the members, Dr. Utkarsh and other members of the Health Committee, Expert Committee were there. We also decided that we need to increase our testing facility and capability, so we are working on that on war footing. Also, we have seen that there are newer machines that have come where the variable cost also will be a saving to the government. So as a result of which we are trying to see that these things are taken care of so that we can increase the testing facility by procuring another 2 machines in North and South Goa district hospitals by more than 500 in both the places. So existing capacity is close to 1860 and odd, and we'll add this another 1000 capacity to the testing facility in the state of Goa. RT-PCR, and this is total RT-PCR. We are not talking about antigen. म्हणजे हे जे आमचे जे our facility which is there of 1860 at the moment will jump up to around 2860, and I feel there should be a capacity of around 3500 testing capacity of RT-PCR, because Government of India is insisting that you have more than 70% should be RT-PCR testing and 30% should be antigen testing. It should not be vice versa. It should not be more antigen and less RT-PCR. Though we are using antigen tests for immediate results to get a baseline so that we don't waste time and we are able to then take appropriate steps as far as the patient is concerned. So as far as this is concerned, we are taking these steps in North Goa, South Goa District Hospital. Director DHS is ensuring that whatever the formalities are, they are completed at the earliest, and we are able to procure 2 machines. And they are having a committee also along with our joint purchase committee, which is headed by Dean Goa Medical College. They will take a decision and accordingly decide what is the best machine, and which is where we are able to also reduce the variable cost. Everybody talks many times of cost and other things. Here, what happens when you buy different machines, then they have got their own cartridges which you can use. So we are trying to buy open-ended machine also, open platform, so then we can use the NIV cartridge also which we get, and then we can use that respective cartridges. So we were discussing what is the best modality and what is the way forward, because now in view of COVID, nobody can predict how COVID spikes, how COVID will happen. You have all seen different guidelines are coming at different point of time from the Government of India. There are different types of tests that modalities pertaining to tests. There are guidelines and directions are coming to the state, and as a result of which all of you have seen that many other countries also have gone for a lockdown kind of a situation in view of the rise and spike. All what we are saying in Goa through the media is that all of you know that there is a new strain of corona also. We have also put certain passengers in the ESI hospital coming from UK and other places. We have found that out of that passengers, that 966 passengers came, there were about 38 positive cases, and 976 passengers which came, UK travelers which were tested, were between 9th and 20th December. We found about 38 positive cases. UK travelers contact 26 detected positive. 12 swabs are not yet received, and none of them are carrying the UK strain of virus as of now. 12 swab reports received, not carrying the UK strain. There are some reports that are still pending for coming. So we are also trying to explore the possibility, rather than depending only on NIV. Dean has been, we have requested Dean Goa Medical College to take a meeting of the Joint Purchase Committee, whether we can do that, whatever is required to do the strain 2 testing within the state of Goa, so that we don't have to send it outside Goa for testing. And this is very important because we need to be self-sufficient. We have learned from the past experiences that we were dependent on outside agencies, as a result of which it used to get delayed. And here action and also the speed of testing has to be there. And our team has got sufficient experience in managing COVID till today. We have learned through COVID management and through the whole situation of the last 1 year as to how to manage, how to speed up, and what is to be done and where we need to close the gaps. Secretary Mr. Amit Satija has been always proactive and managing and having his meetings on a regular basis. Our Dean Goa Medical College, Director DHS, all of them, and our nodal officers and our epidemiologists, all of them have been doing a good job. And most important now is to see how to move forward in this new strain which has come and how to deal with the present situation. Now, as far as COVID is concerned, we are continuing with the South Goa District Hospital. We are increasing, we have told to increase another 150 beds there, whatever staff is required we will put. So we will take up that capacity, which has got a total capacity of 550. So we will take it up to at least 250, 300 and keep it, and that type of staff we will provide. ESI will continue for these type of cases. So these two hospitals will continue. Today, the ICU is starting in the South Goa District Hospital. So we are utilizing that so that it becomes a full-fledged facility. People are also happy with the facilities and services provided there. I also want to share with the media is that all of you have been seeing that government can bring in any amount of SOPs. It is we people, we citizens, who have to respect the SOPs. Wearing of the mask in a proper manner, wearing of the mask in a very meticulous manner, moving only with the mask, covering your nose up to your throat, up to here like I am wearing, and utilizing whatever you can, and also wearing sanitization, hygiene, all these things are very important. तुम्ही जर परेशान चलाय, there are 12,000 people coming into the state of Goa every day by air, and 12,000 people going out, coming to about 24,000 people. On the airport, if you see, there are only 60% people without masks and 40% people with masks. Then how do you expect to control COVID? People have to have self-realization. In order to control COVID and fight COVID, people need to self-realize that this can pull down anybody. We have seen in Goa that the most prominent and wealthy people also have lost their lives because of COVID. I also would like to share with you today, because being in public life, we put ourselves at great risk. We meet people, people can say anything, but it is our duty to be amongst the people. We cannot hide away from people. But what happens in that situation is that a lot of people, a lot of members of the assembly also got COVID. A lot of businessmen got COVID. The poorest of poorest person get COVID. COVID doesn't know the religion, it doesn't know your income level, it doesn't know anything. It can attack anybody and consume anybody. As a result, all of you know that my parents also have got COVID positive yesterday. We got them tested, and we have also, and they are under the supervision of Dean Goa Medical College and the Goa Medical College team. So basically, I always have told you that whenever any issue has been there, we have always relied on the services of the health services and the Goa Medical College. Now, most important is that I understood that it has to be done, COVID test, because you had certain symptoms which are there which you do a COVID test. But people have been told several times that if you have some slight fever or slub, running nose, slight cold, please check yourself. And we are just doing an analysis. We are trying to bring down the level of people who come last stage. People come and still are coming at last stage, and then we are unable to give them the treatment of the post, or whether it is remdesivir or anything. And we are trying our best to see that we are able to save the lives of the people of the state of Goa. Second thing is, we are proposing, all of us are proposing in the expert committee, they have decided, they have requested, which will put up the file to the government for consideration, is that there should be action taken against hotels and other things who do not ensure that masks and other things are put by the people in gathering. We want business to continue. Economic activity must continue. Same time, if that hotel wants business, then they must ensure that their guests wear masks, social distancing is maintained, and have functions where they can maintain social distancing. These events which are there, which are you are not able to maintain social distancing, you are not able to ensure that masks and all are properly put, then don't have the event. Question is that there will be cross mixing between the people of the state of Goa and people coming from outside, and there is a possibility, I would like to share with you, of a spike in the month of January. I would like to alert everybody, it is not a question of only doing business, it is also a question of the safety of the people of the state of Goa. And it is very important to the media that this message goes to the people that wear your mask, and wear it properly, or don't wear a mask. Why do you want to put the life of the doctors at risk? Why do you want to put the load on the health infrastructure of the state? Why do you want to infect the health worker? They are working day and night without thinking about anything, putting their lives at risk, putting their families at risk. And we people of the state of Goa must respect the health community and the health doctors, because they are doing such great service to the people of the state of Goa. And through your medium, I am appealing on 2021, today is the second. We thought we'll have a first meeting now because we had Zilla Parishad polls and other things. We were also preoccupied. There were so many things happening in that period. is that we all have to have self-realization. Government can bring any type of SOPs, but if citizens do not cooperate, then there will be no use of all these SOPs. Globally, if you see, people have changed their lifestyle. There are curfews at different points of time, but curfew itself is not going to help. You look at the beaches, you see that people are not wearing a single mask. What is going to happen? People will end up, both of us can discuss, decide, do any kind of SOPs, but if we do not get cooperation from the tourists coming into the state of Goa, tourists should realize they are coming here to enjoy, but also somebody has to implement strict SOPs for these people. हांव पयर एअरपोर्टाचेर आयला, एअरपोर्टाचेर हांव मुंबय आशिल्लो, एअरपोर्टाचेर पळयल्यार 60% लोक मास्कूच घालिना, 40% लोक मास्क घालतात आणि ते 40तले 20% लोक सारखे मास्क घालतात आणि बाकीचे लोक नाका सकयल मास्क घालतात. नाका सकयल मास्क कित्याक घालूंक जाय? घालूंक नाका न्ही मास्क. तुम्ही जर खंयचे तरी भायर सरतात तेन्ना तुमकां जर दिसता की काळजी लोकांची आमी एकमेकाची घेवंक जाय, तर हे सगळे एसओपीज आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन इम्प्लिमेंट करपाची गरज आसा. म्हाका तरी दिसता आय एटलीस्ट फील दॅट वी नीड टू बी व्हेरी कॉशियस एज अ स्टेट. वी आर अ व्हेरी गुड स्टेट. The Chief Minister and me constantly discuss, and I have also brought it to the knowledge of Chief Minister that however many SOPs, even yesterday I think there was somebody asked something, but question is not that. Question is that we want the people of Goa to be safe. We want business activity to continue. We want that tourism should sustain, and same time we want people coming into the state of Goa to understand that there is an element of caution they should have when they come into the state of Goa, that Goa is not a banana republic. They have to ensure that they wear a mask, they do social distancing, and hotels that are having events and these nightclubs, I will have to really recommend strict action against them if they do not follow the SOPs brought down by the government of Goa and government of India. Reason is that if we are lenient, that does not mean that you are free to do anything what you want. Leniency means that to judiciously use that leniency in a proper way. We are not a police state. We are a state that wants business to thrive, but then these hoteliers and all these people, it's not only one hotel, it's multiple locations where these parties happen. Can happen in your house also. If there are 10 people who gather and they don't do social distancing and don't wear a mask, you don't know where those 10 people are coming from. You don't know who's working in their house. You must also ensure that a maid servant coming into your house must wear a mask. You must ensure, because many of them come through small hutments, small slums, from where they come. That's the only way you can fight COVID-19. Suppose you feel, a lot of people feel it is fashionable to wear a mask below your nose and move around. It is not fashionable. If you have COVID, you will give 10 other people COVID. Now my father is not at an age where he can party. Am I right? But he is in public life. There are hundreds of people who come and see him every day. I also have been telling him that he should be little cautious, he should be cautious. But what happens is, people come, you can't say no to people when you're in public life. I can afford, I say, okay, we keep a distance of say 2 meters or 3 meters. But what happens at this age, sometimes it doesn't strike you, and then as a result of it, then you get this. We are now under the supervision of Dr. Bandekar, Dr. Disa, who was who has helped me yesterday. Immediately we got the testing done. But what happens is that this we are doing for several people, even members of media. So many people phone me. Sometimes their family is not well, somebody is not well. I immediately react. It's Dr. Disa, wherever I am, I immediately WhatsApp, say that please see that that person is tested. We have to take this battle of COVID-19. We are going through, vaccination is coming. Today there is a mock run which is being done by the DHS as per guidelines of the government of India. Our home isolation and success rate of reaching out to the people has increased to more than 97-98%, and people are being spoken to, people are being done. And for your information, my parents also first got isolation kit yesterday in the house only. Minute they were given positive, they were positive. And that if I spoke to somebody in Bangalore, Dr. Bandekar had brought the protocol out for the home isolation medication. Immediate antibiotic immediately that was suggested by one of the top epidemiologists was doxycycline and ivermectin. So basically this has done well with people. We are the only state that is still late giving free medication and everything to the people of the state of Goa. But we are also trying to see how best to manage the situation. My only thing to the media is with folded hands appeal to the people of Goa that please wear your mask properly. To the tourists, please enjoy Goa. We want you to come to Goa. We want Goan business to thrive. but then maintain social distancing, maintain mask, wear your mask. But there should be, I feel the fine has to be, government should increase the fine to at least 500 rupees on the beaches, because these people will not understand otherwise. And second thing is, we cannot allow people to come in to put Goa at risk. We want that Goa is looked up as a topmost tourist destination. We have a chief minister who is very proactive, we interact on a regular basis. I too wake him up in the morning and I put him to sleep. Basically, 2 times at least we have a communication. What is good morning and good night. The reason is that we have to talk to each other. Unless we don't talk to each other, then how will we communicate? We have to communicate with each other. Many times we may agree on certain things, we may not agree on certain things, but it is necessary for deliberation on how do we go forward. And ultimately, I would like to also thank him on a public domain for being very proactive and supporting me in several initiatives. Even in case of my parents, he has taken extra interest in seeing that proper treatment is provided and monitoring it from time to time. And most important is that we want to keep Goa safe. We want it to have a sustainable tourism. And same time, we want Goa and people of Goa to be very responsible. Don't be very arrogant in terms of wearing a mask. I see people at Miramar and Donapal and all these areas where I stay, is without wearing a mask, they go, what are they trying to prove? Recently, Peter Vas passed away. You can imagine that the most wealthy person can be consumed by COVID. And as a result of which, we need to take it seriously and wear a mask. It is a suggestion to the media, request to the media, please put these points across through your thing that this government is serious on managing COVID-19. We have got a very good team here sitting here, and they are doing their best in seeing that we are able to manage the people well. There have been a lot of good reviews. We have also come across a lot of criticism initially, but then later on we have come across good reviews also of people who have got excellent treatment. All the institutions give good treatment. Whether it is the private also is doing well, government also is doing well. We have nobody has any complaint as we speak, but then we must be ready for this new strain. We must be ready also for what is happening in the state. In the state, when you look, people share photographs. I am not saying don't go to the beach and all. What we are saying is enjoy the beach, but maintain social distancing. And तुम्ही फाल्या म्हणतले सरकाराचे काम ते सरकार कितले म्हणून करतले. If you want any SOP to work, it has to be the people who help in making the SOPs work. Only then we are going to implement the SOPs. SOPs are in place. Constantly, even Prime Minister has been saying social distancing. When you pick up the phone, you say that mask and social distancing is the voice that you hear first. That if the people do not follow that, I am sorry, there will be a spike, and this spike will be uncontrollable. This is how I look at it. As a result, it is up to us citizens to ensure that this mask, social distancing and several other things, and coming and reporting cases in time will help us work more efficiently and much better. I have only this much to say for now, and we have also mentioned to you about the details of the UK citizens and people who are coming to the state of Goa. What is the testing norm, and what we have decided is that these patients who are there, they will be there in the ESI hospital till all the results come, and once they go home, they'll have to comply with the 17-day home isolation. Again, there is a lot of pressure coming that we should leave them before home isolation or before the report comes. That will not happen. Any amount of pressure that is put on the system will not work. I have told Secretary, even if I call the doctor, you should not listen to me if there is a violation of the SOP that is there in place. There is no question of any minister calling or any member of assembly calling to tell that he is known to me, you leave him, then nobody will be left. They have to stay there. They have to follow the SOPs. I have told Dr. Utkarsh and Dr. Vishwanath Fardesai, Dr. Uday Kakodkar, in presence of Secretary and the expert committee, even if I phone should not be accepted. If any phone call comes for violation of the SOP should not be accepted, the onus is on them, all three, to see that this is implemented. Fala UK strain घेऊन कोण आयलो and fala गोयन पसरले, then who is responsible? As a result, it is always better to be more cautious in the beginning than regret later on about the steps that we did not take. That's all from us for 2021. We are starting our work and putting things in place, and we assure you that we'll keep you updated from time to time, and like before how we were doing. So on a weekly basis we'll keep updated of what is the present situation in the state of Goa.
UKच्यान आयिल्ले 2 पेशंट फादर एंड डॉटर ते ऍडमिट जाल्ले आसतना ते भायर सरून गेले आनी गायब जाले. कशें घडलें ते?
आयले परत. पण आता हे पळय अशें जर करपाक लागले आपण रावचोच ना म्हणून हे चॅलेंज कोणाक ते यू आर पुटिंग गोवा एट रिस्क. आता तुम्ही म्हणता त्याका काय हांव बांदून दवरू शकना काय पुलीस हाडून थंय हाडून दवरू शकना. लास्टाक he's a citizen of the state of Goa. He must know why we have done it. You see, Maharashtra government has come up with strict protocols. Planes can't land only. They are saying directly if you come from so and so place into Maharashtra, you directly have to go into institutional quarantine or whatever that facility SOP that they have done. Today, there is a dry run of COVID vaccination. Secretary will brief you on the dry run of the COVID vaccination.
Dry run of COVID vaccination is being conducted on the direction of Government of India. It is being done throughout the country in all the states. So in Goa, we have identified 3 centers in government, that is Panjim UHC, Aldona PSC and Kodli PSC, and 1 private setup, that is Healthway, where 25 beneficiaries have been identified. They are healthcare workers. So this is being done on healthcare workers. 25 beneficiaries, and their details have been uploaded on CoWIN portal, that portal which has been specially created for the vaccination drive. Now the entire exercise involves everything except the live vaccine. So there will be a preparation of site, there will be a vaccination center. So one room would be there in which the person will come. It will be a waiting room with all the facilities like washing, toilets, etc. Then actual vaccination will take place. That's called vaccination room. And third is going to be the last, that's observation room. After vaccination, a waiting of 30 minutes is mandatory, so the person will be observed there. Now, in this entire exercise, we'll test our cold chain facility, our transportation facility, our manpower facility, vaccinators, and then syringes, etc. Whatever is the biomedical waste generated, that how is going to be handled. So entire exercise will be done in a dummy manner. Now, once the person comes, the healthcare worker comes, the dummy, like total 100 will come today. So verification of beneficiary will be done by the officer. Then verification, his credentials will be verified on CoWIN portal, whether it matches or not. Once it is done, then actual vaccination will take place, that is mock vaccination. And then he'll be asked to sit in the observation room. And after that, this entire exercise gets completed without any hitch. A certificate of vaccination will be generated through CoWIN portal, and the report will go to the mobile, to the concerned beneficiary. The supervision at all levels is being done, at the PSC level, at the district level, at the state level, and the entire exercise is being monitored by the experts of UNDP. After the exercise is over, a review will be done by the seniors, and then debriefing will be taken, and the report will be submitted to the government. This is about the dry run which is being done in the state of Goa. We have sufficient capacity. We have already analyzed it, and in addition, like there are 39 frozen structures, and then we have one big structure at that is walk-in cooler at DHS, and GMC also has one. We have identified certain setups in private also, where in case required, we'll take it on as a backup. We'll be getting another 40 Iceland ILRs, Iceland refrigerators from Government of India also. They will be stationed at.
Sir,
capacity wise, we don't have any problem. Even the vaccinators, etc. we have sufficient.
ना ते मूव केले पण डिसिजन कांयच जावना तेजेर कित्याक हांव ट्वीट केले की गरज आसूंक जाय म्हणून लेक्चरां कारण केंद्र सरकार देयर वॉज अ लेटर फ्रॉम गव्हर्नमेंट वी बोथ डिस्कस वी हॅव मूव्ड इट बट let me tell you one thing, that there has to be some sort of a thing for gatherings and other things. What I just mentioned to you, that we want आमकां जाय की ट्युरिझम चल्लेली जाय, पण तुम्ही मास्क आणि इतर काही गोष्टी योग्य तरेन घालपाची गरज आसा. सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग फाल्यां पार्टी केल्या फाल्यां नुकसान जर एक 20-25 लोकांक जर थंयसरलो एक मनीस जर कोविड आशिल्लो तो आनी लोकांक इन्फेक्ट करतलो, ते वाडत वयतले. आयज हांव हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आहा, म्हाजे वडील हांगा गोंयांत सगळ्यात चडांत चड मुख्यमंत्री पद भोगलां. सगळ्यात वर्सां इतली काढली असेंब्लीन, 50 वर्सां आयज ह्या वर्सा सुरू जाता एका मतदारसंघातल्यान, आणि तो बी लोक येताले घरा कडेन, तेंच्या वयान तेंकां कळोंक नासतलें काय कितें, लोक संपर्क येताच. पण संपर्क येतकच कोविड जाले म्हणून हांव कितें म्हणटा एज्युकेटेड लोकांनी बी मातशें सावध रावपाची गरज आहा. आयज हे जे लोक येना पळय आमच्या हॉस्पिटलान आमी एनालायज करतले द पर्सेंटेज ऑफ पीपल दॅट हू हॅव कम लास्ट मिनिट इज क्लोज टू 20%. Who have died, that is a very high number. That is to come now. That is coming last minute, where you are not giving chance to the health setup to even treat you. That has to come down. That can come down how? Not by us improving our efficiency, by people informing us in time. That's the only way we can reduce the deaths of people coming in the last stage. And we have analyzed it. It is around 20%. 20% is very high. प्लाझ्मा भरपूर आहे आमच्याकडे. प्लस आता आम्ही परत एकदा आम्ही हे कॅम्पेन आम्ही चालू करता. प्लाझ्माचा स्टॉक आमच्याकडे भरपूर आहे. ते काहीच काळजी करपाची गरज.
तुम्ही आता मास्काचो उल्लेख केलो पयलीं. म्हाज्या मतान लोकांक भंय ना पर्यटकांक की हांगा कारवाय जाता म्हणून. ते पुलिसांक अधिकार आसा कारवाय करपाक.
ना, पण पुलीस म्हाका एक सांग फाल्यां ना म्हाका एक सांगा तुम्ही आम्ही खंय ना खंय एसओपीजान आमी फायन तांकां फटाफट फायन जर घालपाक लागले ते बी हे सगळे गोष्टी तुमच्याकडे कॅज्युअली उलयता. ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी मुख्यमंत्री कडेन बसून सोमारा बसून आमकां परत एकदा चर्चा आनी रिव्ह्यू घेवचे पडटले की कशें कितें फुडें वचूंक जाय. कारण कितें आमकां परत स्पायक जाल्लें नाका गोंयांत. आतां तुमी बिचार पळयल्यार मनीस जर व्यवस्थीत मास्क घालून गेलो सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग जालें हजारभर लोक बी थंय बिचार आसले. बिचाची कॅपॅसिटी देर इज अ कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ द बीच.
तेजे कारवाय करपाचे अधिकार पुलिसांक ते करिना अशें दिसता.
ना पुलिसाचेर सगळें घालून जावचें ना. लोकांनी कितें करचें पुलीस जर एक 10 पुलीस तुम्ही जर धाडले काय 20 काय सगळे पुलीस आमी फक्त पर्यटकाक धाडपाक सोदपाक आनी फायन घालपाक आमी दवरूं शकना न्ही. मनशांनी आनी स्वतांनी घालूंक जाय. फाल्यां हांव मंत्री आहा म्हाका कोण विचारचो ना पूण हांव तुमच्या फुडें मास्क घालनासतना आयलो जाल्यार कशें जातलें तें. हांव आतां 2 मास्क घालून भोंवता. फाल्यां आयज म्हाजे स्वताचे वडील जेन्ना आशिल्ले हांव फेस शील्ड बी घालून गेलो पयस डिस्टन्सिंग बी दवरून. म्हाजे स्वताचे वडील आनी आई दोगांक प्रॉब्लेम आसा. पूण कितें आहा तें म्हाका कळटा ह्यो गोष्टी पण आमी हे अवेरनेस करीत आहा न्ही करीत अवेरनेस करून जगभर अवेरनेस प्रधानमंत्रीच्या पदापासून सगळ्यांनी अवेरनेस कॅम्पेन केल्ले आसा. फोन उखलल्यार अमिताभ बच्चनाचो आवाज येता की बाबा सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग एंड मास्क घाला. इंजेक्शन येता तेन्ना इंजेक्शन येतले पण जर लोक आयकपाक तयार ना तर ताका उपाय काय ना. लोकांनी तुम्ही सरकाराचेर सगळे घालून जायना. लोकांनी आनी सिटीजन आनी पर्यटकाक बी सांगूंक जाय. ताका नाल्यार आमी कितले 12,000 प्री कोविडाचे जाल्ले आसा. द सिच्युएशन इन गोवा is tourists coming in is like pre-COVID. 12,000 people coming in, 12,000 people going out on the same day. So 24,000 people movement is there on the airport. But if you see 60% of people are not wearing masks. So somewhere we'll have to have a meeting with all the airport authority, everywhere, and hoteliers and everybody to tell them, Baba, you have to insist. When you go abroad and all, they fine you heavily, and that institution is paid. And even if you have a party in the house and all, even in Dubai, if you go to see, each person is fined 5,000 dirhams. So that is how you have to move forward. See, all what I'm saying is that Goa is not a police state. Goa is a very friendly state. But this friendliness advantage should not be taken by people coming into the state of Goa.
तुम्ही लोकांना सांगता मास्क घालायला पाहिजे, सोशल डिस्टन्स ठेवायला पाहिजे. आणि तुमचं फेसबुक बघितलं तर 15 डिसेंबरचा एक फोटो आहे.
तुम्ही मला कोणीतरी तुम्ही फोटो जे दाखवे माझ्या वडिलांबरोबर फोटो होता ते जिल्हा परिषदेचे लोक आले होते.
आणि
बरोबर आहे.
जिल्हा परिषदेचे बाकी जरी फोटो बघितले
पण मास्क
सोबतचे लोक बरेच मास्क न घातलेले आहेत.
तेच तुम्हाला सांगतो मी. आमच्यासारखे
सोबत राहिलेले जर ऐकत नाहीत तर मग दुसऱ्या
मी तुम्हाला आताच सांगितलं आम्ही पब्लिक लाईफ मध्ये असतो. तुम्ही मला प्रश्न घालता ते व्हेरी गुड व्हेरी इंटेलिजंट क्वेश्चन. पण तुम्ही एक लक्षात ठेवायला पाहिजे तुमच्या मीडियाचे किती लोक माझ्या पुढे आता बसलेले मी आता मास्कचा उल्लेख केल्यावर नाकावर ओढतात. हे तुम्ही एक लक्षात ठेवा. तुम्ही मीडियामध्ये काम करता आणि मास्क तुम्ही आता माझ्याकडे बोलता मास्क खाली घालून बोलताय. तुम्ही मास्क वर घालून बोलता.
भरपूर आहे म्हणून मी बोलतो.
नाही मी माझे फोटो आहे. मला लास्टला लोकांमध्ये राहायला पाहिजे. मी आम्ही दोघं जेव्हा
राहताना सुद्धा काळजी घेतली पाहिजे ना. तुम्ही म्हणता ना.
ऐका एक मिनिट मी बोलतो. बरोबर तुमचं पॉइंट वेल टेकन. पण आम्ही ज्यांना गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज मध्ये जातो आम्ही फेस शील्ड 2 मास्क घालून आम्ही जातो. आता पब्लिक मध्ये आम्हाला प्रचार करायला लागतो. आम्ही जेव्हा जिल्हा परिषद इलेक्शनला जातो आम्हाला लोकांमध्ये जायला लागतंय. कोणाचं जीवन रिस्क मध्ये असतं. माझंच असतं जास्त रिस्क मध्ये. मी आतापर्यंत 22 RT-PCR टेस्ट केलेले आहेत. कारण मी हॉस्पिटलमध्ये कितींदा जाऊन बाहेर येतो. कोण पेशंट सिरियस असलं आम्ही तिथे जाऊन काळजी करतो. डीन कंटिन्युअस आत असतात. तुम्ही जे सांगितलं सारखी गोष्ट आहे. मग त्याच्या अर्थ असं झालं की प्रचारच करायचा नाही. प्रचार करायचा म्हणजे मी किती लोकांना सांगू शकतो. मी
तसंच पर्यटन
काय
लोकं
केलं
तसंच
माझ्याकडून,
म्हणतात
मग पर्यटकांना काय सांगायला लागणार.
हा मग ते मतदारांपासून सुरुवात करायला पाहिजे ना. आपल्या लोकांनी जर
बघा
पाहिलं
मी
तर लोक बाहेर
आता
नाही
मी
येणार,
आता
बाहेर
तुमच्या
नाही
बरोबर वाद घालत नाही. मी सांगितलेलं आहे आज माझी परिस्थिती अशी आहे की स्वतःच्या घरात कोविड, माझे आई वडील जे गोव्याचे राज्य एवढं वर्ष सांभाळले त्यांना कोविड झालेला आहे. अरे ते काय रोज सकाळी लोक येतात भेटायला, लोक मास्क कधी घालत नाही, पण त्या वयात ते लक्षात येत नाही. कळालं ना तुम्हाला. मी म्हणत नाही की मी काय केलंय, प्रचार केलं ते एकदम बरं केलं, काय एकदम हे केलं, पण माझ्याकडून काय मी काय लास्टला मी माणूस आहे. मी काय सगळ्या गोष्टी सारखे करू शकत नाही, पण जेव्हा मी लोकांमध्ये जातो, मी लोकांमध्ये मिसळायचे म्हणजे मला करायचं लागतं ते. मी लोकांना सांगू शकत नाही माझ्याकडे 2 मीटर दूर राहावं म्हणून. होत नाही ते राजकारण्या लोकांना, आणि मला ते जमत नाही ते करायला. लास्टला इलेक्शन आले की तोंडावर, उद्या जर विधानसभेचे इलेक्शन आले आणि कोविड जर राहिलं तर मला लोकांमध्ये जायलाच लागणार. मला काय उपाय नाही. आय हॅव नो चॉईस. माझे लोक असतात ते बाबा म्हणून जवळ येतात. मी काय 2 मीटर कोविड आहे म्हणून सांगू काय? होत नाही ते. झालं काय करायचं, देवाचं नाव घ्यायचं आणि पुढे जायचं. आणि काय
म्हणजे असं चालतं, असं झालं तर
चालायचं नाही. मी म्हंटल तुम्हाला सगळं क्लॅरिफाय केलेलं आहे.